Hello guys, I'm back with another Roblox game, and I know I don't play Roblox when making videos. So Roblox game name is Build a Bird Nest. So basically you build a tree. Yeah, look. So you build the tree by using, let me show you what do you use to increase the tree base. Oh wait. So look at this, look at this, guys. So this is how you build the tree, and basically you build a nest inside. You build a tree on a nest. Wait, no. Is that right? Whatever. You build a nest inside the tree, which is what macaws do. Almost parrots. Mango juice. Mangoes. Nah, we left that in 2020. In about 2020, whatever. We left that in the 2023 and 2024s. Okay, so let's get the money. Some money. Yo, machine. Get back to work. Get back to work. I said get back to work. Okay, I'm waiting for more good money. Please give me one. Give me money, by the way. Give me now, or else. So yes, there's a rebirth in the game, but you use the rebirth mechanic by building the last part of the tree. The rebirth token. It's exactly what it sounds like. You don't go to rebirth. Let's stop yapping and see this gameplay, guys. How did this go? Money! No! And yes, you select a bird to play. And yes, you select a bird to play before you even start making a bird nest. Guys, you select a bird skin even before you start making tree base. And yes, this skin here is the one I'm talking about. Go. Lagging. It's lagging. Okay, guys. Huge branch hanging bridge. Okay, my income. Hope I don't go bankrupt. And I did go bankrupt. And it's unacceptable. More money, more problems. Is that right or is that wrong? More money, no problems. More money. No.